All right, this last example, I'm going to show you quadratic regression using Desmos. I do want it known, though, that you can do quadratic regression in the yellow calculators. You can also, which is a TI-84, you can also do it in Excel, which is probably actually the most helpful way. Maybe we'll discuss that in class, but I will show you with Desmos and a graphing utility how to do this. And then you'll want to sum up what we do in your own little box there for calculator steps, okay? So you're going to go to Desmos, clear out what's there. You're going to go to this little plus sign in the top left corner. You're going to add table. Notice your table is, it says X1 and Y1. That's important for later. And then you're going to put all of those points in there. So the first one being 1, 1.75, and then keep going. Okay, once you have all of the points in there, you got to type one thing in this next line and you will be finished. So remember it was called Y1. So we're going to say Y1. And just typing Y and then 1, it automatically makes that a smaller thing there. And then you want to use the tilde sign there on a keyboard. It's the top left. And then remember, standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to use that. We're going to say a and then x1 squared plus b x1. Notice I'm naming these all x sub 1 because that's what it's called in the list. And then lastly, plus c. And there it gives us those decimals that we want to use. This one did not particularly tell us how many to round to, but I'm going to round to 3 decimal places. So this is how I'm going to write my answer. I'm going to say that y is approximately negative 0.027 x squared plus 1.058x plus 0.0672. And then to answer the question, it says, what is the predicted height for this discus when it's traveled 15 meters? So to figure that out, we can just plug in 15 everywhere there's an X. So you could type that in your calculator. You might even potentially, let's see if it works. I don't know if we do. We could click and drag and find where is 15. And so 10.453. So our predicted height when we go 15 meters is 10.4 or close to 10.5 meters tall if I just rounded that to make it more real world like.